Hey everyone, and welcome back to the kitchen. Today, we're making something absolutely incredible. A one-wok wonder that's packed with so much flavor. You'll be making it again and again. We're talking about a rich, savory steak dish that's perfect for a weeknight dinner, but special enough for the weekend. The best part, everything comes together in just one wok, making cleanup a total breeze. So, if you're ready to create some magic, grab your wok, and let's get cooking. First things first, let's build our foundation of flavor. Place your wok over medium heat and drop in 2 generous tablespoons of butter, along with a little drizzle of vegetable oil. The oil helps prevent the butter from burning. Once that butter is beautifully melted and sizzling, it's time for the onions. I've got 2 large onions here, sliced nice and thin. Go ahead and add them to the wok. We're going to let these cook low and slow, stirring every now and then. The goal is to get them deeply golden and sweet. This process is called caramelization, and it takes about 15 minutes. I know, it sounds like a while, but trust me, this step is non-negotiable. It creates a sweet, jammy base that makes the entire dish unforgettable. Don't rush it. Once they look gloriously golden brown, scoop them out of the wok and set them aside for a bit. Alright, onion magic is done. Now, using that very same wok, crank the heat up to medium-high. We want it nice and hot for our steak. I'm using steak that I've cut into thin strips. Add your steak to the hot wok, and listen to that beautiful sizzle. The key here is to sear the meat, not steam it. So, make sure you don't overcrowd the pan. Work in batches if you need to. We want to get a gorgeous brown crust on all sides. This locks in the juices and adds a ton of flavor. Once your steak is perfectly seared, it's time to bring everything back together. Let's reintroduce those amazing caramelized onions to the party. Look at that! Now we're going to add some freshness and a bit of a kick. I'm tossing in some chopped bell pepper for color and sweetness. A little bit of chili pepper because I like a touch of heat, but that's totally Octinaland, of course. Some freshly minced garlic, the aroma is already incredible. Let's season it up. I'm adding a good sprinkle of cumin, freshly cracked black pepper, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of cardamom for a warm aromatic touch. Give everything a really good stir, making sure all those beautiful spices coat every single piece of steak and veggies. We're almost there. To create a luscious sauce, add some diced tomatoes. You only need to cook these for about 2 minutes. We just want them to soften slightly and release their juices, mingling with all the other flavors without turning mushy. Finally, to finish it off with a burst of freshness, sprinkle over a generous amount of chopped parsley. And just like that, it's done. Serve this beauty hot, straight from the wok. It's perfect with some fresh, crusty bread to soak up all that delicious sauce, or with a side of rice. I hope you guys give this a try and love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy and delicious recipes. See you next time.